Welcome to Nest Academy of Management Education in Dubai. We will talk about how students can study in Dubai and settle in Dubai. This is where we are located, Dubai International Academic City. 27,521 universities already in this sprawling academic city campus, the world's largest education zone. We are also located here. Let us meet at the WEBA fair and discuss what to do when there is high unemployment rate, rising unemployment in the Western countries of more than 15% on an average. Let us discuss about how to reduce the foreign cost of education by more than 50% for the students, yet they earn UK degree and UK diplomas. Let us understand and we will discuss how the students can increase their return on investment because studying abroad is a serious investment. High tuition fee, high living cost across the globe. Let us understand how the students can achieve the UK diploma and degree pathways at less than 50% of the cost. We offer programs at undergraduate and postgraduate level diploma and UK degree pathways in business management, events management, hospitality, computing, films and media, sports management, teaching qualifications. We will discuss more about this when we meet. More than 30 plus partner universities globally so that students can transfer to UK, Australia, Ireland, USA, New Zealand, France, Finland, making it a truly global program. They obviously have a choice to complete all their 3 years to achieve their graduation in Dubai itself as well. What to talk about Dubai? World's third richest country, second safest country in the world, sixth most dynamic city on the earth, sixth most visited city on the earth, highest employment rate at 99.5% in 2019. 6,800 people have been given PR or Gold Card, Golden Visa in Dubai last year. We will talk more about what are the options for the students to stay back and ensure a great career after they have completed their graduation. We have exempted students from the requirement of IELTS, so English proficiency is tested using interview method. Tuition fees are modest, $4,500 a year. UK qualifications, student visa hassle-free, completely our responsibility. No need for bank statement, no need for proof of funds, no need for show money. Just give us their passport and we will process the student visa. We will sponsor the student's visa. Guaranteed student visa or full refund. Guaranteed part-time work permit. Students can earn while they learn. Multiple internships so that students are industry ready by the time they graduate. We will also talk about the changes in the hiring trend across the globe after the corona pandemic. We will tell you how we can make the students industry ready and employable in the new world order post COVID-19. Multiple of our students are currently working part-time and ensuring that they gain valuable work experience yet reduce their cost of education. The potential for students to earn between $3,000 to $10,000 a year so that they can recover not just their cost of living but also a part of their tuition fee. Let us meet at the WEBA Education Consultant Fair and we will discuss more about all these nuances. We will also discuss about the humanitarian scholarships that we have launched in the wake of coronavirus, pandemic, and also the other important aspects when we meet. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day and stay safe.